BeyondTrust EPM for Windows and Mac allows organizations to remove excessive admin rights while providing controlled, secure access to applications and tasks that require elevated privileges. This approach helps minimize the attack surface and mitigate risks such as malware infections, insider threats, and privilege misuse. The integration described in this guide uses webhooks and API requests to allow users to approve application access requests from BeyondTrust Privilege Management using the PagerDuty ticketing system, which eliminates manual intervention and delays, and helps organizations improve their overall security posture. The following is required for the configuration of the PagerDuty EPM JIT integration: access to a privilege management cloud instance, an account with the administrator role, and the client ID and secret from an privilege management API account. In addition, an active PagerDuty with account with administrator access or elevated privileges and an active PagerDuty API token will also be required. After the webhook configurations and automation workflows are configured, your PagerDuty instance will then be able to receive application access request tickets from BeyondTrust Privilege Management. Administrators will also have the ability to update an application request ticket with the proper decision, which will be either denied or approved, from the PagerDuty ticketing system, which will be sent to your BeyondTrust Privilege Management cloud instance. From there, you can also verify the status of a ticket from the Just-in-Time Access Management page. During this demonstration, we will show you how an end user submits a request for administrative access for an application from an endpoint and how the application request is either approved or denied by an agent using PagerDuty's ticketing system. First, the end user submits the application request from their computer or endpoint. The request is initially placed in pending status until a decision is submitted by the approver. For this step of the process, we are now navigating to the Open Incidents page in PagerDuty to approve or deny the application request. For demonstration purposes, the application request will be denied. After the ticket is updated with the decision, the duration, and name of the agent, we then navigate back to the Just-in-Time Access Management page to verify that the decision has been updated in the Endpoint Privilege Management system. We can do this by searching for the EPM ticket number and then confirming the status of the application request. As you can see, the decision has been updated from pending to denied. Now that the decision has been verified from the Just-in-Time Access Management page, we can now navigate back to the endpoint or computer where the application request was originally created and confirm the details there. Also, when the user attempts to use administrative permissions for the requested application, a notification prompt with the request decision will appear on their screen. In this case, since the application request was denied, a denial notification message will appear. For this part of the demonstration, the ticket will be approved with the duration amount that was originally requested from the endpoint. The ticket for the application request can be accessed from the Incidents page in PagerDuty. To ensure that a decision is processed by Privilege Management Cloud, the agent or user is required to submit the form with a decision and an entered duration amount. After the ticket is updated with the decision, we then navigate back to the original endpoint from where the request was made. You can now see that the updated status of the request appear on the screen as approved. In this case, since the request was approved, a notification message with the approved duration for the requested administrator permissions will appear on the prompt. The approved duration amount also appears on the application request screen of the BeyondTrust Endpoint Privilege Management utility. The user will now have administrator rights to the requested application for the approved duration of time. We hope that you enjoyed watching this recording. For additional questions, please reach out to the BeyondTrust Technology Alliance's integrations team. Goodbye.